Shane Robinson, TRM Artistic Metal Creations, showing another video of a fire pit. This is a Southwestern design with the family's name added on the bottom. Again, with these being round, it's so hard to get pictures. I've decided these videos give you a better view all the way around the fire pit. And we're coming around to the night side with the stars and the moon. And again, I'm using a red light inside the fire pit instead of a fire. Just trying to show how good these look when they're all lit up, like when there's a fire in them. Back around to the front side with the sun. Check out all of our videos. Thank you very much.